Welcome to Solution Hub. Whether you've been with us or just found your way here, we're excited to welcome you to our community. In our today's video, we'll guide you through the simple steps of updating your Wi-Fi router password. If you are new to our channel, hit subscribe and become a family of Solution Hub. Your support means the world to us. To start, first you have to connect to the Wi-Fi network, for which you intend to change the password. We will connect to this Wi-Fi and change its password for the purpose of this video. Then, you have to access your router configuration page. To do so, open any browser you are using. Then, insert your follow router IP address. This is typically and most commonly 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. If not, check on the back of your router device. For the purpose of this video, I will use 192.168.1.1. Then, to sign in, you will need your router username and password. Most commonly, these are set as admin or user admin, similarly for username and password. If not, you can find this information on your router. For the purpose of this video, I will use admin as username and password. Now, you are in your router configuration page. Open Wireless section. Then, open Wireless Security setting. Go to Password section. Unmask the password. Here is your current password. To change your password, you have to cancel the current one and write the new password in this section. In this case, we will change from 123456789 to at 123456789. Then, when you insert the new password, this section pops up immediately. That is where you re-enter your new password. Then, click on Save. After your new password is saved, your Wi-Fi will disconnect it automatically. Then, you have to re-enter your new password to be connected again. That is it. Your password is successfully changed.